Found an XDT file in a .NET project and wondering what role it plays? This is a configuration transformation file that automates deployment settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these XML transforms work in the .NET ecosystem. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the XDT error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. XDT files are XML Document Transformation files used in ASP.NET and .NET applications to modify web.config and app.config files during build and deployment. They contain transformation rules that insert, replace, or remove XML configuration elements based on the target environment. XDT transformation files use XML syntax with Microsoft's XML Document Transform namespace, providing transform directives including InsertReplace, remove SetAttributes, and InsertBefore. Each directive targets specific config elements using XPath-like selection for environment-specific configuration management. Generally, XDT files are associated with Microsoft Visual Studio, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows shows the text content, yet running them requires proper tools and caution. To bypass the default application error, right-click the XDT file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Visual Studio if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. If you cannot access the XDT file, no problem. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, understanding transformations. Open the XDT file in Visual Studio or any text editor to review the transformation rules. Each XML element with XDT transform and XDT locator attributes defines a specific configuration change. The rules modify connection strings, app settings, and other config elements for different deployment environments. Next, applying transforms in Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, XDT transforms apply automatically during build and publish operations. Right-click the web.config file and select Add Config Transform to generate environment-specific XDT files. Preview transformations using the Preview Transform right-click option to verify changes before deployment. Finally, manual transform application. Use the Microsoft.web.xml transform library or SlowCheetah Visual Studio extension to apply XDT transforms outside the standard publish pipeline. The command line tool ctt.exe can apply transforms in automated build scripts and CI/CD pipelines for consistent configuration management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.